Okay, now that's the shape of the bit on the Dremel that will do the finish off, which is a real important part of it. Every edge that articulates on the mouthpiece, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the top to my lip has to be rounded. And for this, you definitely need to wear eye protection. How do I test it? Put my tongue on it. I'll sterilize it before it's done, but that's how you test it. Perfect. Very nice. Very, very nice slider. Whew! It's a lot of work to drill those things correctly. There we go. See? See how it's quiet now? Doesn't make any noise. Cool and groovy.